Hello everyone, my name is Khristine, Senior Regional Engineer at Epson Southeast Asia. In this episode, I will be showing you an easy step-by-step guide on simple stacking. Before we begin, let's first understand what is the simple stacking function. Simple stacking is one of Epson's newest functions that is accessible from the projector menu. This function allows the users to automatically create a bright projected image by overlapping the images of two projectors connected by wired LAN without the need for a computer. To use this function, you will simply need the two Epson projectors, our ELP EC01 external camera module connected to each of the projector, and a wired LAN cable. Here are the models that can support the simple stacking function. To perform simple stacking, first, connect the two projectors using a LAN cable. Make sure the two projectors are connected via the same network. Next, select the master projector. The other projector will adjust and follow the size and shape of the master projector. In this case, the master projector will be the one on the top. Using the master projector, go to Extended, Multi-projection, Simple stacking, then adjust the image position, shape, and focus to your desired requirements. You can now start the automatic adjustment. Select Start Auto Adjustment. You will then see magenta and green pattern. Magenta is for the master projector, while the green pattern is for the other projector. Adjust the position of the green pattern to overlap the magenta pattern. To do so, you can use the projector lens shift and zoom function. Once done, you can click OK using the master projector's remote control. The simple stacking adjustment will take approximately 4 minutes to complete. Once complete, a simple stacking complete message will appear on the screen. To switch to your source content, simply click on the Escape button on both the projectors. Here are some key points for simple stacking. The maximum supported projection size depends on the projector brightness. Refer to the information shown on the screen. The two projectors must have the same resolution. Wait for 2 minutes after powering up the projectors before starting the process. Projectors must be placed in a direction that is facing the screen directly and not from an angle. The projection surface must use a matte white diffusion screen that is flat and even. ELP LL07 and ELP LL08 lenses cannot be used for simple stacking. Simple stacking can only be used for front projection. And lastly, only a maximum of 2 projectors can be stacked together using simple stacking function. You can utilize your existing projector to create a bright and large image quickly and easily by stacking 2 projectors together and using the simple stacking function. I hope that you have found this tutorial video to be informative and useful. Thank you.